Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play EA Sports Cricket 2007 on your Android device. First, understand that this involves using a PlayStation 2 emulator, which allows your phone to run software designed for that console. This process requires a few key components and careful setup to ensure a smooth gaming experience. We'll cover each step to get you playing. To begin, you'll need two main things: a PlayStation 2 emulator app for your Android phone and the EA Sports Cricket 2007 game file, typically in ISO format. Make sure to download these from trusted sources to avoid any issues. A good file manager app will also be very helpful for organizing your downloads. Once downloaded, install the emulator app on your Android device. Open it and grant any requested permissions, which are usually for storage access. Next, navigate within the emulator to find and select your Cricket 2007 ISO file. This tells the emulator which game you want to play. With the game loaded, you can now launch it from the emulator's main menu. You'll likely need to set up on-screen controls, or you can connect a Bluetooth gamepad for a more authentic experience. Experiment with the emulator's settings to find the best balance between performance and graphics for your specific device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.